Here's how to use ideogram to start making beautiful AI images for free. Open ideogram, click in the prompt field and enter your prompt describing the image you want to create. I'll instruct ideogram to generate a cartoon of Mandalorian in the style of Adam Niklovich, illustration 3D render. Then select the style by click on one of these buttons. Then, click generate or hit enter. In just 10 seconds, ideogram will generate 4 images. To download the images to your computer, click on the download button. Congratulations! Now you know how to use ideogram. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. For more useful ideogram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of ideogram tutorials. I'll see you there.